open and close pipe is the easiest thing in physics, but most students don't know it. Let me teach you. Now, when you have two pipes like this, and you have this in such a way that only one side is open and this other side is closed, we say this is a closed pipe. Now look at it. Oh, this is a closed pipe, right? Now, when you have both sides open, exactly, that is the word open. So in a closed pipe, one side is open, just like you can see, and the other side is closed. In an open pipe, both sides are what? Open. Now, you realize that they will ask you, what is the length? For a particular pipe like this, you will see a question where they will ask you, what is the length for this particular pipe? Okay, don't forget, there's a form of sound wave, right? So you have to understand how, when they talk about the tuning fork, where a sound is being made into a pipe. So when you have a tuning fork, I don't know, most of you, if you have seen tuning fork, it looks like this. They are of different frequency. Okay, so they can place a tuning fork into this pipe and a sound is made. So they expect that this tuning fork has a specific frequency. Okay, sometimes it can be 520 and the likes. Okay, now if 520 hertz, don't forget though, that's the unit of frequency. Now, if this tuning fork that has a specific what's it called, frequency, is made to resonate at this level, okay, it can produce a form of generation of progressive wave inside this pipe. So now let's get into it. Now, if you want to write the length, let me teach you how you can know this thing. Just assume this is actually a cycle. Now, look at it. Look at what I'll do. Now, this is a cycle, right? This is a full cycle. Now, this is a semi-cycle, right? Now, from here to here is quarter of a cycle. That means if I assume that the whole of this thing is a lambda, right? From here to here is lambda over 4. You would agree with me? Lambda over 4. From here to here is also lambda over 4. Absolutely. This is half. So that means like this. If I go like this, that will be lambda over 2, right? Then if I have a full cycle, then this is actually lambda. Abi? Now, in a proper case, we talk about this is pi, abi? But for this case, I'm assuming that this is lambda. So what are you saying? You can see that if I divide this stuff into 4, just like you can see, this is lambda over 4, lambda over 4, lambda over 4, lambda over 4. Now, you will see how interesting this thing looks like. If you understand this, let's come here. Now, if you look at this stuff that you're seeing here, from here to here, it resembles something. What does it resembles as if you are coming from here to here, right? Look at it from here to here. It looks as if you are coming from where? From here to here. That means the length of this particular pipe at this frequency, the length of this pipe is actually from here to here, which is what? Lambda over 4. It is like a quarter of a cycle. It is a quarter of a cycle. It's that easy. Now, look at something. I don't know why most students don't know this particular thing. Now, look at this. Just like I said, it's like we are dividing the cycle into 4, abi, and half. This is 4. So from here to here, lambda over 4. If I do everything, that's lambda over 2. Like, if you divide this whole thing into 2. Now, look at this. From here to here, resemble from here to here. That means from here to here is like saying the length of this particular thing now is L equals to, from here to here is lambda over 4. From here to here is like another quarter of a cycle, lambda over 4. That's why the length in this case is everything for 4 year for 4 times 4 year 1 1 times this is lambda plus 4 year 1 times this is what? Lambda. So you see that this is also 2 lambda over 4, and the length becomes what? Lambda over 2. Now, that is not still enough. I can also say that this thing, as you go like this, it looks like this. Look at it. It looks like this. So eventually it's still lambda over 2. Just take it. We are going to take only one side. You see that I didn't come here. I only pick this side to determine the length of this pipe. I only pick this side to determine. I can also pick this side, just one side of it. Can you see? This looks like when you come like this, or you can take it as lambda over 4 plus another lambda over 4. Let me teach you another one. That means the length of this pipe is lambda over 4. The length of this pipe is lambda over 2. Don't cram that formula that they used to ask you. There are different formulas, but just note how I'm going to be explaining using a cycle to explain this concept. Okay, from here to here, lambda over 2, lambda over 4. From here to here, lambda over 4. So when you add the two together, you get lambda over 2. That's the length of this pipe. From here to here is lambda over 4. It's like a quarter of a cycle. Let me give you another one, and you see how I'm going to get it again. Now let's have something like this. Let me extend it. And have another resonance so that we have this. Right? Absolutely. What kind of pipe is this? Still closed pipe, because one side is closed. It's still a closed pipe. Now let me also increase this. Let me increase it to the next level. Let me increase it. Look at it. Let's say we have something like this. Okay, now let's calculate the length. Still the same method. Now let's go. Now from here to here, look at it. From here to this place. Don't forget, I'm using a cycle. I'm using a cycle. Let me just use half. So from here to here, lambda over 4. From here to here, lambda over 4. Then from here to here, lambda over 2. So now look at this. When you pick this guy, it looks like this. So that's one part. The length is lambda over 4. Now look at this. From here to here, look at it. From here to here, looks like this. It looks like everything here. That's why this is plus lambda over 2. Then the LCM is 4. How many 4 can you see in 4? 1. 1 times this, lambda. How many 2 can you see in this? 2. 2 times this, 2 lambda. So that is why the length of this kind of pipe is what? 3 lambda over 4. Okay, that's why you can get lambda from this and say 4L equals to 3 lambda, right? Then from here, I can say lambda equals to 4L over 3. These questions are in your JAMB pack. A lot of them. Okay, now that is the answer to this. This is a closed pipe, because one-sided is closed. Now look at this. Let's do this let's do this method. So please take note of it. It's very easy. From here to here, lambda over 4, like quarter of a cycle. This is half of a cycle. So lambda over 2 plus lambda over 4. That's why we got this. Now let's do the same method for this. Now look at this. This is what? Quarter of a cycle, right? Or let me just be picking this. This quarter of a cycle. That means the length is lambda over 4 plus this looks like half of a cycle. Absolutely. Now this is even a cycle. So this looks like half of the cycle. Lambda over 2. Then I'm done. I'm only left with this. This looks like what? Another quarter of a cycle. So this is lambda over 4. So from here, I can add everything together. LCM is 4. How many 4 can you see this? 1 lambda. How many 2 can you see in 4? 2. 2 times this, 2 lambda plus 4 in this. That's what? 1. How many times this? That's what? Lambda. So lambda plus 2 lambda plus lambda, that's 4 lambda over 4. That's why in this case, the length is what? Lambda. The length is lambda. So don't ever forget this. Don't ever forget. And don't also forget this formula that V equals to what? F lambda. So if you know this, it's very, very important. So they can ask you. Now, you already got, in this case, you already got the length to be lambda, right? So you can always replace it here and say V frequency. They will give you frequency times L, so they will give you L2. So you can always replace and solve. So this is just for this kind of case. So it's not always, this is not the only formula that you can use. You can always use different formulas depending on the question. I hope you get the concept of open pipe and closed pipe. Don't forget what we use. I'm just comparing it to a cycle. So from here to here is a quarter of a cycle. From here to here is another quarter. Then from here to here is half of a cycle. I hope I did not waste your time. This is easy. See you in my next video. If you want to join our class, you can send me a DM. We started powerfully You understand? You don't want to miss out. Okay, send me a DM to join our class. Bye for now.